The characteristics of silicone rubber raw materials are combined with injection molding technology, and the products produced are widely exported to United States, Vietnam, India, and other countries. This process is widely used by manufacturers to manufacture high-quality, durable, precise, and special performance silicone components that are widely used in a variety of industries. Liquid silicone rubber is a material with unique properties that consists of a base polymer and a curing agent. When these two components are mixed and heated, a chemical reaction occurs that converts the liquid into a solid elastomer product with remarkable flexibility, heat resistance, and chemical stability. LSR injection molding provides a unique combination of properties for manufacturers to produce products, which is very attractive to manufacturers. The liquid silicone rubber used in this process is best known for its exceptional flexibility, durability, and resistance to extreme temperatures, chemicals, and environmental factors. These properties enable LSR injection molding to be used in the automotive, medical, and consumer goods industries, where performance requirements are extremely high. From high-precision medical devices to everyday consumer goods, this technology is subtly influencing and changing our lives, permeating every aspect of our lives. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.